Hello, in front of me I've got BYD ATTO 2. In this video I'll show you how to activate and manage adaptive cruise control. In the beginning, fasten your seatbelt and start driving. Next, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Press this button to activate adaptive cruise control. Next, press this button to decrease distance from the following car. Button on the opposite side to increase distance from the following car. And next, press set button minus to decrease speed or rest plus to increase speed. To disable adaptive cruise control, again press this button. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.